knocked
No!
unconscious.
Rebels,
This is really
we're helping.
embarrassing.
We're helping
He is
bring the
like
road up.
follower.
Vagers.
I'm gonna bring a mace
Rebels,
or a morning
fuck
star.
the Vagers.
Oh,
Oh, Rub is here. Rub is here. So there's a second Nord that's present.
We
This
like
will be
Rub. We
guts
like
to
Rub.
this battle.
Yeah, I feel
If you get it, don't get
both of us
taken
are
out.
kind of like. Alright, we got this. I'm going to
Where is
inspire
he?
so much morale in a second.
Another.
Use a spike stick nether.
Bloody, I hope you brought fucking throwing.
How much
so
armor
you're
does
not
the
doing your
turning
duty.
helm have again?
20.
20.
Oh, okay.
Paper mache. It's not metal.
I'm
That's
so
better.
incredibly
That's
sleepy.
Wait,
Accept the
You guys
duel.
accept?
what? No.
Yeah, we did.
Salt on the Zan.
How many people are here?
Nether.
Mount.
100
Nether.
Nether.
I did. I was looking at the stands. Let me just whoop this guy's ass real quick, sorry. You been talking to my girl, bro?
You guys like hit each other.
What would you say about Minecraft?
Nether, we know you don't have a girl.
I don't.
Stop talking. Mr. Marine.
Faint or
Drawing
something.
any more
Somebody
There we go.
chamber. Do a
Look,
chamber.
they just keep blocking and attacking them.
I'm sorry the CC guys don't know what a block is.
Nether when he lands a hit.
Salt keeps fainting. Just spam him.
Lowest level fight I've ever seen.
Holy shit! I brought Ford back to
Oh,
Rex, you got armor.
Good
job, Salt.
Alright.
Whoa.
Oh, they're not created yet, are they? Shit. Oh,
Somehow does not speak his orgasms.
normally someone does that. Okay, hold on. I got her. Just
That was
don't
the first
turn it
thing.
yet. Hold on.
Longer duel equals more
I'll just
exciting.
make this. I'll just turn games into Vagers. Okay. The voice channels are below. You guys can go join your voice channels, and the event will be getting started shortly.
Rocks. Alright, so what's up? We're gonna play Mountain Blade here. We're gonna win a fight against the Vagers. Who's here? Yeah, Visor.
Going for my
Wait,
legs.
I guess I'll wait for more people to join before I introduce what's going to go on.
You got all the important people here.
There's so many randoms.
I don't have. No, I hope I can join their fucking Rodax.
Me too.
Me too, actually.
I hope I can download map.
Don't get the padded cloth. Get the ragged. It's lighter. And it's better.
Nobody wants to play as Fakers.
Listen, you fuckers.
Alright, thanks, Rook.
There are. What if you guys?
Introduce leaders.
Okay. I'm Nether. I'm gonna lead this. I'm the king. I'm the Rodak king. No disputes by anyone on that. Visor, say something, Visor.
Something. Hello, I'm Visor.
Okay.
I'm apparently leading
Shut
Cav.
up. Visor's gonna lead the Cav, and we're gonna have a bit of Cav, I think.
Everyone help us.
We're gonna need it, I think. Yeah. And then,
Wait, do you
want a lot of Cav or what?
like
At least three. At least
a normal amount, not for Rodak, like a actual amount of Cav. I don't want like no one to be Cav like we normally do, because it's. And then bring a crossbow or something, like a shield. I don't know. Just play whatever you're best at.
Hey,
but
if you're not an actual Rodak, you might want to switch over to Vagers because it looks like we have a ton of people waiting.
yeah.
So if you're not an actual Rodak,
If you're not a Rodak in
Everyone on this voice.
Okay,
channel right
yeah,
now
you
is
see all
available.
those like people say, even if you're a Rodak, just go play for the Vagers. I can tell that. Like, well, why isn't Kermit joining? Look at all these people.
Hey, what do we want Cav to be doing?
You're
something
gonna
I like very much.
follow the infantry around. You're not going to kill yourselves on the Vager Cav because they're better than you.
impossible. No, we're so good though.
Oh no, yeah, the RCC guys are joining.
Oh, Vegs are getting
Vagers.
sweaty.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh no.
Hey, we can use
I
that to our
called
advantage,
it.
boys.
I called it. Is that Nolo?
What is 3E?
Nolo, how'd you get
Oh yeah,
Oh.
you guys are gonna follow me around the infantry, and then we're just gonna do some stupid stuff, I think, until we win. Like, look at that.
Flags are.
Alright, here's some good news.
Hey,
You
Nether,
can
do you
ride
know
your
what flag
horse
are?
off the...
giant,
Visor's fucking
that giant dead tree.
Yeah, see, like those flag spawns. That's where one of them is. That if it spawns there a lot, we will be smiling. Okay, live on reset. All right, Cav, follow Visor. I don't know what he looks like.
Over
If
here,
you find
I
him-
am Hunter.
If you're infantry or crossbow, follow me. I'm the guy with the horse, the big horse. I'm I'm rearing.
Cap to the right, cap to the right.
Everyone turn around. You're all going the wrong way. Follow me. Yeah, see,
Other
only guys- yeah.
Cav. Other guy in the fat
I
hole.
have the goofy turnium.
Okay, we're going come up behind Inf Cav.
I can see an underground flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's a weird bug.
Happens.
Map oh, looks like we're hard resetting.
Yeah, we're hard resetting.
So just do what we did there, again once he spawns.
Cap to the right.
Maybe a small prayer to cast perhaps.
Nope. None of that.
Okay, so where's the
Yeah. Say a silent prayer for. Oh, I forgot to do the prayer. Oh, we didn't really have to.
Silent prayer.
Say a silent prayer in your hearts. I'll know if you did it or not. If
In
you
the name of the cake, the
No
caster,
one
the
clear
hollow-
haste
In the
the
name of the
caster.
vague gods, the only gods of Rodakia.
Alright.
It's the
Alright,
flag
Amen.
gods, you heathen. Cap to the right, cap to the right. Is this live?
It's not
Guess we're all
live.
here.
I'm not even
This
able to
isn't live,
join.
I don't think.
This is not live.
I think, yeah.
If I can
Yeah,
get
they
in.
temporarily don't-
In case it is live, don't do anything fucking stupid. Okay, not live. Well,
It's
Coochie Run Kingdom says it's not live. I don't know who the fuck that is, but they seem to
We
know.
have to show the
Sounds
server, which means
authoritative.
we'll load again.
Go
Oh
up
my God,
behind Inf in
Like-
case it is live.
Yeah, just I guess
Yeah, we're
since it's not.
timer,
This
it's
is
not live.
It's not live.
Yeah,
Go
it's not
explore the
live.
map, especially Cav right now.
What are we doing?
Cav,
this
go
is-
explore since this
Servers.
isn't live.
Seeing the sights, capping some Vegas, you know.
Okay, so you see this giant wall? We're probably gonna hang out on it for a bit. It was like whoever made this map must like the Rodox, because look at this thing. This is fucking absolutely. Like, what is Salt gonna do about
We
that?
need the podium. It's live.
We'll probably do that the first round. All right,
Okay, cap to the
It's
right,
live.
cap to the right, cap to the right.
everyone follow
only get 10 minutes?
the goofy-looking cavalry. who's
Short
in the
cap
front.
to the right, short
Alright.
cap to
The,
the right.
Let's go.
Infantry go left, right?
You guys seem to be doing it. Yeah. Yeah,
Right.
most of you guys are here.
Okay, come up behind infantry.
Let's see. Yeah. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go to the windmill area. We're gonna get on that wall for now. It
Alright.
seems a little cheap. If it works too well, we won't spam it. But I want to do it at least once.
Are the Cav gonna jump over the wall?
At some point. Let's save that for when we're inevitably winning. Walk past this Arabic water wheel.
Oh yeah, they are as well.
It's a very,
This
very
is
important
well.
grassland.
Some of their Cav is hard breaking to the left of us.
Left to our
Alright,
left. Okay,
Cav,
Cav, shift over to the left. Stay behind between
Alright,
infantry.
crossbows, climb up on that. Infantry, hide behind it.
We're
Probably
definitely hard pushing the left. How we get out of the village.
Okay, get out.
we-
Get out,
we-
windmill,
they're
get out,
coming in.
windmill.
Yeah, they're
Where
coming.
the fuck are they?
They're
They're to the left. You see that hill over there? They're behind those
Go
rocks.
to
left.
gates
Oh, I
and
see, I
Cav
see.
is,
Closing
Drop
in.
into our
I'm
cap.
behind.
Infantry,
Watch out.
hide behind that
Cav, get
rock.
out.
Yeah.
Wait, what about the crossbows? They're gonna get shot down, my guy.
Crossbows, get off the fucking thing.
Yeah, get in
Yeah,
cover.
take cover.
No. Yeah, take.
Hey,
Take
fight
cover.
their-
Use the trees,
use the trees.
infantry, Nowhere else. Yeah.
Come back to the other ruins. There's like a little.
It's literally all chasing me. This is hilarious.
Yeah.
I'm dragging like 8
That's-
Cav away.
Yeah.
Can you drag him
Crossbows,
back
come
to
down
us?
here and hide behind the infantry and shoot, poke out of
Okay.
their shoulders.
Cav, you're doing
Cav,
Infantry-
great.
stick with inf.
Leave your shield up, or else you're a fucking idiot. If you're gay, drop your shield.
Hey,
real quick.
can we get some crossbows
Hey,
over here to
crossbows,
heal this one
watch
guy?
where- I mean, infantry,
Shouldn't we
watch
get
where you're
behind the hard
walking.
cover?
Yeah, don't shoot yourself in the head.
Okay, Cav,
Behind the
regroup
wall.
back behind this fallen wall.
All right, there goes. Oh no, wait, Bellendor's still alive. All right, let's
Yeah,
just
just
hang
right
out
there,
while
stay behind
Bellendor
the
kills people for us.
Well, let's go
crossbow-
under this hill to get some cover.
Crossbows, can you shoot between the infantry?
Good job, Cav, by the way.
Like we
Aim
have
for
our
their
shields up.
crossbows. Aim for their infantry. Unless you're a good shot, then you can aim for their archers. But aim for the big blob of them.
Has anyone successfully ranged their crossbow at this point? Because I'm not sure what angle it's supposed to be shooting at.
Do you see the?
moving back to mid. Enemy cavalry.
I'll go
Mid,
scout
mid,
in.
mid.
Huh? What do I want to do? I don't want
They
to.
might be. They
I
might
don't
be
wanna
rolling
push.
around to the right.
I mean, we're winning the range fight.
Yeah, we
I
can't
mean,
push
that-
them.
for
Don't
Rodox,
don't
yeah,
chase
keep
that
it by the
Cav. We
range
don't
of the
have
wind.
archer
Right.
Hey,
support.
some of-
Cav,
some-
Kev, do not Dude, Donut
Cav, don't engage enough archers.
Yeah,
You will
Cavs move
probably
to,
die.
their Cavs moving to the right.
I brought you here to run over infantry while they're turned around.
Hey, Bob,
So long.
look to your right, expose. No, left, expose.
God, they're shooting the shit out of my poor horse. You guys need to body block.
I'll be your heart. I'll be your horse. Nether.
Yeah. All right, what's happening? Are you Are you fighting them, cavalry?
I don't know. Cav?
They're on either side of our flanks. That we're like kind of skirmishing.
All right, move back.
skirmish.
Infantry,
You
move
probably
back.
shouldn't stick out in the
We're
open. You
gonna
gotta get back to
crawl
solid
back.
cover.
Infantry,
Don't
SP,
skirmish.
SP. Come back here. This is enough of this. Come back and hide behind this wall real quick.
Where are they?
No,
They're
you
coming in
guys-
behind us.
the
Cav.
ledge.
If you
Cav's
can't see
behind
me,
us,
you're
Cav is behind us.
There's
Yeah,
a
but-
couple of infantry to the left. Next to the
Don't
left.
chase
Turn
cabin.
around, turn around like
Stop
right
chasing
now.
Cav!
This is
All
a
right.
fight.
There's
There's a
no
fight.
chase, guys. They're like literally right behind you. You need to
Yeah.
shoot them.
All right, infantry, group up with me. I'm on the fat horse by this house. We have a lot of guys hiding in this house. So come over and hide in this for a bit.
If we should go right to the house,
Oh, there goes my horse.
When does flag spawn?
but you still have
Because
that goofy
when
helmet.
is flag?
All right,
you guys
infantry,
are
get
gonna
ready,
stand
and
there
cavalry,
with
get
all
with us too.
I
We're
think
gonna.
the flags
We're
are
not
coming
good
up.
with flag
I'm not sure.
positions.
Where are the dead crossbows at? I need
No,
to
no, I mean like
They're all by
when?
the
Alright.
wall.
Fuck, shoot
All
that
right,
guy
infantry.
before he
What the
keeps
fuck
the
are you
charger.
fucking going?
If we can get
Shit.
some archer support to help
chasing
us.
their
It's
cavalry.
that,
What
it's
are
that
you doing?
clan.
It is
Oh,
that
that's the clan. Wait, oh, they're all following them.
There's
Yeah.
an archer out in the middle of the field.
Cav, stick with
Yeah.
Nether, shield.
Alright.
Come on.
Well, if we're
Probably
gonna do
should.
something
Don't be an idiot.
stupid, we might as well stick together. Everyone, just follow the pack.
Who's fighting?
Oh, that's
Oh,
Smug.
it's
Or that's Rub.
it's
Swarm him.
smug. It's smug.
Swarm him.
It's smug.
Whoever it is, swarm him. He's good. Oh wait, leave him be. Leave him be. Don't chase him. Don't chase him.
Yeah,
Hide,
just
hide
shut
in these
them up
rocks.
if you can.
I'm pretty sure he's baiting us into the archers.
Yeah. Just wait.
Yeah, it looks like they're formed up on the hill ahead of you guys, so I would just
Yes,
Rebuild
I've
where you are.
noticed this.
Granola, move.
Yeah,
You're gonna
this might be
get off the rock. Oh, fuck.
Let's go.
It's
that's
They're
okay.
right on it.
Perfect. All right.
I'm going to try to run.
We need to
interference.
regroup before we move on, so we don't.
No. Just run at it. Just run at it. Everyone, we're
Cav,
mostly
go,
grouped up.
go to flag and run interference. Don't get off horse.
Right, no,
Watch
Cav,
out for
what you need to
Cav.
do is just pick up the stragglers right now. They probably won't cap it, I don't think, until we get there.
She's so.
they're
Run
already
down
capped.
stragglers for me.
It's
They're already
it's
capped.
done. Yeah.
Cavalry's coming in
It's
from
done.
behind
There's-
Yeah,
us
they
now.
have their
It's
cap
done.
there already.
Alright, we're gonna play more aggressive, I think next time. This was
Enemy
boring.
cav incoming.
Hey, so our
No,
cab
they're
is
back
not
to
picked up
straight
on either
horsemen.
side. We gotta commit our cab to one side.
What the fuck? Our gem's behind us.
I was trying to keep it or Cav close so the archers could help with the clan.
What the hell was that?
Alright, let me think about this.
There's too much
I
cover
think
over
you really
there that
told
they
us
can
that
hide
you were
behind.
fighting Cav
Alright,
behind us.
we're gonna
It was
beeline
way
for that rock for this next one. We're not gonna let them have that again. We're gonna beeline for that rock. Cavalry, run there. Hold it.
Using the cab or just kind of sitting back and getting killed. Like, as they're pushing.
That's
us
true.
with
But you guys,
things. So we might as well
Yeah,
if we're
they're-
gonna just hold
you-
positions, we might as well just switch
you might
sides.
as well just, yeah. Alright, everyone, you know what to do. We're running for that rock.
Cav to the
Infantry
right.
and infantry and crossbows try to stick near me, I guess. I don't think the clan is going to listen though. Well, I shouldn't call them the clan.
Yeah, the clan.
Randos.
Cav, what are you doing?
Good
Charge
job,
it.
Cav.
Charge the hill. Go charge it now. Get there
Charge
before
what hill?
they-
Just
Yeah,
have
get-
3
or
E
the
in
one
their
that
name.
we were
Don't
at last
follow
time.
them.
Okay, let's go to the big rocks to the right.
Distract them while they try and get there. At least.
try to at least flank to the
Don't
left.
run into the fucking wall, Hans. Or
We're
Harlan.
going to the big power rocks by carts, right?
Yeah, we're going to the
Cav
one that
to
the
the right,
Vegas were
Cav to the
not
right.
shooting us last
I
time.
totally got stuck with default.
I like it. I like it. I like that rock.
We are in the cab. You're very
Not
spread
just a
out.
rock, it's a
Okay,
boulder.
regroup at these ruins, and then we'll go back.
You guys
to
good? All right.
Cav
Seems
to
like
the
we're
ruins.
mostly all
Alright,
heading
the
up.
ruins.
Cav to that
Enemy
rock.
cav is on our
Here
left.
before they do.
Okay, okay, back.
Calves on the left.
They're all going
Continue
to
to
where
go.
you guys are going, so
Good. We're gonna get there and we're gonna fight them off of it.
Continue
Alright.
to big rocks by carts.
Spearman should probably get to the rear.
Oh,
They got
where
We
Cav
is?
have to
coming.
approach this.
All
Do
right,
we
everyone
only
get
have
on these
4
rocks.
calves?
Quick. It's gonna be a
I'm
fight.
here.
Lost track of you, honestly.
Hey, cab on
Alright.
the other side. Get up here.
All right, wait. Form
Those,
up, form
those
up.
are the wrong rocks.
Battle up. Group up at least.
Battle of the Rocks.
Okay,
All right.
Cav, go around and hit
Cav.
behind
Cav,
them.
go around and hit them from behind.
We
Hit
need to
the
coalesce a little bit more. We're all scattered way too much. They can just...
There we go. Yeah, yeah. Fight them off like this. Group up. Make sure you're all together.
Cav,
Cav, hit
I
him
love
from
getting
behind.
shot by
And,
5 archers.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make sure you group up.
Find a buddy, guys. Find a buddy.
you guys need to. You're getting spread out. You need to group up more.
I think you guys are winning the melee.
You are,
Yeah.
but you're going to
Yeah,
get.
we are.
You're getting
Keep
spread
pushing.
out.
Keep
though.
pushing.
Yeah.
Just
Calm down.
swarm
Yeah,
'em,
Cavs,
swarm 'em.
Stay,
Don't give
stay,
them a moment
swarm
to
'em,
think.
but stay close together. Their cav is gonna pick us off like they normally do. Stay near a guy with the
They're
pipe.
making a concave with their bows. We can't push in any further.
Alright, stop pushing, stop pushing. Just hold the rock, hold the rock. Have our
defend the
crossbow shoot
crossbows.
No,
Hold on,
we could use infantry as
Move
cover.
over to get
put
cover.
crossbows behind
Use the
them.
ridge to get cover. Yeah, we got.
Like
So
we should
Cav
just
is
be.
completely useless at fighting Cav. You want to use crossbows to kill them and bait them into getting out from the rest of the army, which they will do because they don't listen. So
Yeah.
bait them out and let crossbows deal with it. Don't use
Just like in
Cav.
real life.
Yeah,
Three, I
honestly,
don't care if you're bad at cav. You're going cav.
Honestly, we should just be using Cav as scouts, like
Yeah.
just to keep an eye on them.
We don't really need to. This field is pretty plain.
I think.
No,
we
you
should
guys all
just keep it, one thing we know we can beat them at because we're losing on all 3 fronts and infantry
Remove
cav
team
and
out.
range. So
Like-
commit to one of them.
All right,
Yeah,
here's the thing. I like the idea of making 3 ego cav because then they can do their own thing without it being too huge of a deal. So, let's see. As long as they, I don't know.
Well, the guy who I think is leading 3, I think agreed to go Cav. So
Yeah, he seemed to say. I think he did. All right, there we go. That looks better. All right,
Okay, we're
Three.
going to have.
Yeah, they're
do
cav.
your own thing. Go cav, and I don't really know, but the rest of us stick together. I think we're gonna go. Fuck, I like going for the rock again.
Okay,
That
we're
almost
going for
worked.
that rock.
Go for the rock again. Cav, make sure you
It was
go
going well
interrupt.
until we started getting shoot at.
Okay, Cav, we're going to go over to the right a little bit and then pick off their archers when they commit.
And you're going to distract the Vaegers. Make sure they don't get to that rock before us.
Okay.
We're gonna set up
Also,
on the
pick
rock.
up the archers if you can. Those archers were really peppering everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you see an archer, kill it. But
Because I remember seeing a lot of lone
crossbows
archers on like.
because
random
they're gonna,
rocks when I
if
ran
you
through.
attack their archers with your cav, they're gonna have to slow down to protect them or let them die. The rest of us, infantry, we're gonna set up and group up for our crossbows to shoot at them while they make their way to the rock. If
Their Cav's way far. They went far to our right.
Don't follow them.
Yeah. Don't
Cav,
follow
you're
their
pushing
cav.
way too far up. Cav, you're
Dude,
pushing way
ignore
too
the-
far up. Come back.
Fall back.
No. It's fine. It's fine.
Let
Get on the
Cav
rock.
do
Cav
it.
is in
We're
the
gonna
spawn. Cav is in the spawn.
Let it, then fight with them. Let's go.
It's fine. That's what they're there for. They're fast. All right,
Hey,
we're on the
Ned-
rock. We're on the rock. Good. They're on a
Nether-
shitty rock. Shoot them.
Nether, there's an archer contingency of Vaegers above the carts on like a little rock.
Yeah,
that
I see
could
it.
not
We're shooting
attack
them
it,
now.
not
It's
penalize.
not a very good spot. Shoot them.
Can we get infantry in the front and crossbows right behind
Yeah,
them?
infantry get in the front. Hold your shield up for the
My
archers.
horse died.
Yeah. Give
Loose wall, infantry,
give
loose
crossbows
wall.
something to
Give
duck
All right.
room between.
Kev,
Ha.
good job. I think that's what I wanted to happen. I don't.
This machine gets domed by a fucking strongbow. Holy shit. Elf.
They have a higher spec.
Oh, they got me now.
They have.
God
have
damn,
shield
their
move.
archers are good.
they
Let's see.
won't.
All right.
They're on the
Let's
hill.
see.
Wait, real cover.
They're shooting me in the fucking foot. Jesus
All right,
Christ.
ST.
Yeah,
Fuck
this is
this
not.
rock.
This is
ST,
not.
let's go back to
I'm
our
about to
water
kill
wheel.
Saul. Come on, no, wait, why'd you move?
ST. We're gonna hide behind this hill back here, because right here, most of the flags are very close to us. The only one we're even closer.
And they have less of an angle here too if you put your
Yeah.
shields up.
So here, hide behind this like crest in the hill. And
Burge is dead. Hell yeah.
Damn it, I almost killed Saul.
don't peek out. Do not peek out unless you're a good shot.
Meltor's
They're moving,
coming
they're
out
moving.
to your right.
SQ a little more. SQ a little more.
Oh, we can
Fuck
take
'em.
shots from there too.
Yeah, Saul slid in their infantry.
Guys, look out to your right. There's an archer.
Oh fuck, he's good. All right, there's archers. There's archers. A bunch of archers coming. Kev, can you come back and help us? Oh my god.
To the left.
Cav,
Alright.
go back and help.
Cav, come back and just pick off their archers.
I don't
that
know
are
how many
falling
cav
toward
we
us.
have though.
We still have a good amount.
Yeah, there's a
They got
couple
two
stragglers
Cav
of
on the left
Vigors.
side.
Oh my god,
your
why
shield
are the Vigors so well coordinated?
Let's see. What can we do?
They're
hiding behind a rock.
I kind of like using the reverse slope like we are right
Where's
now.
everyone at? I mean, I thought we had more infantry than this.
No, we have more cav now.
A little bit.
I mean, yeah, but...
Hey, stop chasing.
Cav behind.
Cav, stop chasing. Everyone, stop chasing.
Infantry, do not.
If you have
Alright,
a
they're
pipe,
coming at you,
fucking
infantry.
look.
They're coming at you. Get ready to
Jesus.
fight. Cav, if you can come back right now, that
Cav,
would
go back to
fantastic.
Alright. Yeah, the infantry is with motion.
If someone could
Next
type it in
Goku.
chat if you're alive, because I think Bree's in chat.
Okay, if you're gonna defend the formation with a spear, you have to do that from behind and outside the formation. You can't be sitting in the formation. You will save no one.
Cav, go after.
I have
archers.
a lot of experience with this.
Alright. Here they come. Get ready, guys. Our Cav. I don't think
Cav's
they
about to hit him in behind.
Cav, please.
Crossbow steal their archers.
Don't get
Infantry
surrounded.
SP until the Cav shows up. And yeah, fight like that. Exactly like that. More
Like
green.
the Vegas fight.
Cav hit
Yeah.
their archers while they're shooting
I'm
at
down.
them.
That's what it looks like they're doing.
Yeah, and clobber their infantry too, like that.
I don't think we have enough crossbows to actually try fighting the Vigors at range. We might want to just chill with the have the crossbows chill until the melee
Someone
starts.
cover me,
Pipe
please.
Yeah.
around somewhere.
Guys, you're looking.
No, keep doing this.
You need those crossbows to focus those archers, though.
Cluster up.
Cluster up, buddies.
Crossbows, time to switch to melee.
Alright. Keep fighting. Like that, I think.
Together, stick
Together,
together.
Together and
We're
push forward.
retreating.
Together.
Yeah, we're good
Oh, wait,
somewhere
wait,
else.
they're Cav there. They're Cav there. Watch out for their Cav.
Oh no.
What? Oh my god.
Okay, they're rallying.
Crossbows and infantry stick a little bit
Man,
closer to each other
we
so
have
that
more
way you can
crossmen.
mutually
Crossmen, try and
defend
shoot the
each
guys
other.
in the rocks.
If you, yeah.
Alright.
Stick closer to each other.
Harley, get closer to the infantry.
Crossbows just place a full place support right now.
Looks like you guys have more or less won the melee.
Hey, Cav.
No, speak so soon. They have a lot of archers in Cav
Don't
left.
speak too soon.
Yeah.
And their best player is still up.
Where's
Kill the people in front of
They
you.
still have they still have an archer.
It's in the cart pit.
They have a guy on. They have one guy there.
Well,
There, kill that guy. Jump him. Alright.
They have like 3 archers left.
Yeah, they're
They're all
already
going. They're all going there.
We need Cav to get there now.
Yeah, if any Cav is left. Infantry? Alright, stop chasing that guy. You're not really gonna do much. You're just holding yourself.
Go, stop.
Go
chase
for the
the
flag.
flag.
Go for the flag. Go for the
think-
flag.
Or if you guys left,
I think we need more crossbows.
2.
I killed like 5 of the
Okay, make a rush.
New
on,
plan.
make a-
You
If
got
we're doing
this.
another match, everyone, fuck Cav. We're all gonna go crossbows. I want to fuck crossbows this time.
Some
Do you even want me? Do you
Also
want me
win
to go
pretty
crossbow,
soon.
or do you want me to go infantry?
Just like everyone go crossbow. Just like everyone go cross, except for like.
There's a
except for most of the
1500
infantry.
gold loadout you can
Hey,
take.
so let's
Let's
take
go a ton of crossbows. God damn. All right, never mind.
Now we have more cap.
I don't think Bree got them. I don't know, like. Oh man. Let's see.
Let them just
Let's
do
work
whatever
with
they
what
want.
we have.
We're just gonna have them do what they want. I tried.
Problem is yeah. I've lost control of Cav.
Do not die. That's my order to them: is don't fucking die instantly, because we do need you after the fight. But I think we have more crossbows this time. All right, that's good.
Our camp's
We're going for the wall.
following the clan.
Yeah, all of our CAD keeps following the clan.
Yeah, well, that's basically the plan. It's you guys need to stick together. So just just follow the clan and do what they do. Are they here? I don't think so.
I don't think they're in place. Yeah, they're going to all charge and die.
Let's see. Let's watch that. You know what? Infantry, get up on this wall, and we're gonna go watch our Cav die if you can see it from here.
The true Roadhog. You brought the popcorn. True Roadhog tradition.
Now I'm feeling like the Roadhog.
Everyone, get up on the wall. Put your shield up to the side. Oh my god, I can get my fucking horse off this shitty thing.
Who brought popcorn?
Alright. Shoot down at them.
If you have a crossbow, you should be shooting.
Alright, they're good, they're good, they're good.
Okay, looks like the Vagars are going back to the centaur place where they keep going to.
Alright, we're gonna stay on this high ground. Just shield up like that and shoot down at them.
Nice shot, Butters.
Nice shot. Yeah, you got fucking bank off. I think.
Infantry, do not move if you have your shield up, please.
Inch get close and we will charge them from the side. They are on rocks. 3.
Visor gave us this rock.
on the rocks.
We need to defend it. This is Visor's gift to us.
Vager's on the rocks. Also, we have a lot of crow.
Okay, their cav has found us. They're between us.
Why is that Vager holding one of my shields?
He took it.
If you're a crossbow, if you're not that good, just shoot at their main group. Don't try and aim for their archers, because you probably won't hit them.
Oh, looks like cav's committing against their cav.
If you're an AI
Well,
crossbowman,
God
Shoot,
bless
there's
him.
an archer to the left.
Where is he?
Near the water wheel.
Oh, I see him.
I'm gonna, like...
Birds is dead. Okay, that's one down.
Birds, who's birds?
Who's Joe?
Alright, keep doing this.
Where is
He's
Joe?
He's
I
a
think I got it.
Pachelka, can you move up?
Pachelka,
Like,
move
up to your left.
Good
Right,
job,
up.
Major Soul.
Alright, I'll go with you,
Cav
eastward.
is behind them.
Go kill up.
Hey, well, why are we fencing? Stay.
Yeah, there
Pressure
is.
them to make
Good
our
job,
cap more
Nether.
effective.
John!
Yeah, if we
John.
pressure them, that
No, hold
might be good.
Keep up this. Keep up
No.
this. No.
Wait, how the hell? He just shot through my shield.
Yeah, just keep doing this for now.
Unfortunate death by eastward.
Rob is trying to sneak around behind us. Just
Ready?
heads up. He's coming around the
Wait,
far
why are we
tower.
dying?
I'm not getting shot off.
What's
on you.
Yeah, keep
what
up.
does Rub have?
Alright, everyone form up. We're gonna go push them. Let's just go charge them. The cavalry's in. Let's just charge them now, quick. The cavalry's in. We gotta charge them now.
Alright,
3,
let's go
1.
melee friendly
Fuck it.
fire, let's
Let's
go.
go. 3 charge.
We are not bulked up.
Well, that doesn't matter. We gotta go now.
There's also like in the middle of all of them. So you might
Fuck
wanna
up.
There's also
Look
there's
above.
also
Shooting from the
further
left.
What was that?
flanking.
Hey, there. If any cav is in this chat,
Cav, go charge.
their archers have gone to ground.
Cav, just keep charging them like this.
The cav is the archers have spread out completely for the Vader.
Infantry, you
I'm
gotta
worse.
charge! Infantry charge!
Oh, fucking
Charge, cav, charge, kill their
Yeah,
archers.
crossbowman to switch to
Come on,
infantry.
come on.
If you're a crossbow, switch to infantry.
Forward.
Come at them. Where's our cav?
Crossbow.
You're supposed to be here
While
first.
you're
Spread around him
Well,
like
you're
this.
one-handed.
Yeah.
Okay, Zed, you're my buddy. We're fighting
You
together.
can do Vader line
Cavalry,
tactics.
that
I
would be a
love my
great
horse
time.
just getting killed instantly.
Get in there.
Oh dear God.
Okay, that's a decent amount of green.
Yes, just keep pushing, Cav. Run
Nice,
them over.
Pelennor.
Guys, not a single S key. W only. Go.
Oh, nope, people weren't with me.
I'm gonna kill Salt.
I'm following you.
It's all worth it.
Salt killed me.
Please group up, please group up.
Oh, someone stabbed me in the back.
Oh, no.
What happened?
I think
Oh,
we, guys,
God.
we just
well.
keep getting spread out too much.
I think all our
Yeah,
cabs
true.
are.
Also, all of our cav. Nice.
I'm gonna be honest here. That was a bad play.
You should have charged. I don't think you
Why
should
we
have
need-
charged.
I think they reckoned that the
We
infantry
need
were
more
a bit faster than Cav.
We could have had
We need
that.
infantry.
Shut up, Cakers would have stopped that.
They're not trash. They're normally pretty good.
Hey,
Well,
stop that.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. That wasn't so bad. There's only like half their team left alive. So.
I think we have them on the back foot. I think they
It didn't
We're
help.
our 0-4 guys. This is the 0-4 comfort zone. It's the 0-4
they
comfort
saw
zone.
his
We got
suicidal
this.
charge and like, holy damn.
Jesus.
Yeah,
Well,
the
problem isn't
we
that
didn't
we
have
don't
much of
road
a choice. It was either
Which,
stay on the defensive and watch half our team die, or go on the offensive and maybe catch them. But half our team was already dead by we got there.
Yeah,
I think the issue is that when you're
We
gonna
might
be
be
honest.
able to go into this rocky area in front of
I
the
think
street
Cav
flag.
probably they got a little overzealous. They tried the best now. Are we playing
You're
another
welcome.
one? I don't know what's going
I
on.
think it's best
I think it's
to
best
Best of, like,
First to five, right?
It's first to 5. All right, everyone.
We just gotta win
How
five
has
games.
our Cav
Hey, I have a
continued
great- I have
to
a
grow
great
every
I
round?
don't know.
All right, our Cav, just do what you did last time, but the infantry will be faster this time.
There's twice as many as we started out with.
All right, Yes, everyone follow the big club. All Cav get together, quick. And
Cav reproduced through my token.
infantry, we're gonna run at them again.
We're gonna run at them, just right off.
We're just Harlot, Cav reproduced.
Heather, are
through
we
my
actually
token.
doing this?
We're just gonna run at them. Wait,
Do it.
Okay.
Clones are very impressive.
Hey, listen, this is our best. This is the most genius option we could do.
You know what?
Should we hold our shields up while we charge them?
Yeah, well, they're gonna shoot you. Okay.
It'll just slow you down.
Form up first. Form up first.
Fuck that.
No
Charge.
longer the king of the road.
We're not the king, Harlan.
F3. You heard the man.
Hey, I'm around this team. I should have
He said F whatever.
If you're a crossbowman, drop that shit. Get your shield out. We don't need that shit. For Dreadwell, we're charging them.
No, they can shoot their one shot.
Wait, we can take this hill. What are you doing?
Come on, charge! Look, they're all here. They're all
F1,
spread out.
F3.
Fucking charge!
F1 and F3.
They
Cav,
still have their stun.
They're so spread.
Come on.
F1, F3.
Cav hit him from behind. Cav hit him from behind.
Pray to the flag
Cav,
gods.
Cav, hit him from behind. Everyone
Cav,
charge.
ignore their Cav. Hit him from behind.
Drop your crossbow unless you're Nolo.
Go, boys.
You can charge him.
Go.
You guys aren't pressing W enough. Where's the cavalry? There's so many of
Move
them.
your S key.
Why isn't the Cav here the one time?
Where are they? Cav, go!
Finish the mission.
Go, Cav! I believe in
Someone
you.
message Cav.
No. Infantry charge.
Where?
There we go. 3, hit them. Hit their archers.
Go!
Win!
No S in Rodok.
Rush him.
Come on, let's
There's
go.
no S
More
in
green.
Rodok.
Keep going.
What are you fuckers doing? Charge them. Stop going backwards.
Turn. Put your crossbows down.
Charge.
Don't shoot, just charge.
What are you doing? No.
We have
Where
it.
is the cavalry?
This is
Winnable. Still winnable. Never give up.
Charge. I order you, damn it.
Guns up, shields up, charge.
one job.
Oh, guys, it's winnable. It's winnable.
Oh, wait, I'm still alive. Holy shit.
It's winnable.
Yeah, it was temporarily winnable.
No, dude, guys, look, guys.
Where?
Look, he's 12 and 4. Our top guy is 12 and 4. We're winning. It's winnable.
Their top
Winnable,
guy is
winnable.
31 and 0.
You're telling me none of us could
Yeah, I
jump
don't think.
No, it's winnable.
All their top players.
Okay,
are still
everyone, hold
alive.
on.
Yeah, winnable.
All right,
Look,
fellas,
everyone say
Siege weapons might be tough, but we have meme hammers, so.
Everyone say it with me, winnable.
All
Winnable.
cocksuckers, shut up. We love.
They're gonna kick
All
him
Cav
to
before
death.
he changes.
No.
All Cav.
Kill yourself before they kick you to death.
Wow, someone fucking kick Meltor.
Okay, charge on Cav. Everyone charge on Cav.
Wait,
Even more.
everyone charge.
Everybody turn around and shoot another.
Guys, we lost. I'm gonna be honest, we came pretty close. We almost got a match off them at one point, I think.
2 1.
Alright.
A couple rounds.
Alright.
31.
Guys,
With 100 ping too, so you're.
How did we
I'm
not
gonna
kill
be honest, guys. Let's make this siege as unfun for them as possible. I don't want it to get on the Vegas side. I want
Make it
small
winnable, guys.
Bring
It's
meme
winnable.
hammers and
Please
crossbows.
make sure. You
Here,
defend
just
the
explore the
walls,
map while you can.
please.
Come on, Rody, come on.
Meme hammers and crossbows.
Just remember, there's no S in Rodok.
Hey,
Alright,
can I
Wait,
get a
wait,
petition
why did I
going?
spawn? Why did
Yeah, why is there?
There's no
Why is
S
there?
in
Alright.
Rodok.
Wait.
They already get a
Don't
ladder.
worry. Ignore the traitors in our walls. It's fine.
Hey, can I get a petition going to rename the king of Rodox to the Khan of Rodox?
No, that's
Yeah, that's caster stuff.
Listen,
As
that's
like
Kurgan.
one of maybe 3 Kurgats here, I second that.
Well, listen, it almost worked a couple of times.
Yeah.
I think the synergy just wasn't quite there a couple of times. I don't know why.
No,
They haven't had a proper
Heather,
imbalance since the days of Ubi.
Yeah.
Heather, do you remember when Caster named all the Lord Chiefs?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
He named them all Sasquatches at one point too. All right. Notice how they have to jump down to get to you guys? Once they jump, they're vulnerable. Hit them with that fucking hammer. And shoot the shit out of them.
Who's opening the fucking gate?
Wait, who opened it?
Fucking left click on him.
Mob bunker, you son of a bitch!
Defenders have moved.
Okay, I'm
Close it.
defending this gate. Close this fucking gate. I
I'm
cannot
closing
defend
it,
this
I'm
shit
closing
alone.
it.
Wait, why was the fort spawn triggered?
Oh no, no,
No,
we just
that
spawn
just
on
happened.
those
That just
spawns.
happened after a certain amount of time.
I have.
Yeah,
We don't
that's
have
triggered
force
by time.
Oh, I meant
I
to know
have
why
joined
we
you to help you
move
defend
backside.
since you
Oh
guys
no,
got to make
that
support.
happens after that.
There's also a back door we have to
More
watch.
beam hammers.
So I'm counting 1, 2, 3.
Left side, right side's fine. There's
Ladders.
some defenders over.
Where are the Vigors?
Where the fuck did land come from?
On the
Oh, what
walls.
the fuck are they on the wall already?
Remember, boys, it's hammer time.
Oh,
What
they're all
is
There's
like
like-
there?
Oh, there's
There's,
some guy.
free
there's
kills.
3 different ladders on the wall.
Oh
so-
man,
some
hey,
actual
we have
ladders.
lost the wall.
Already hands.
They
I
are.
think
They're,
we
It's
need
fine,
to
it's fine.
defend
The
the
wall's
walls
not
of
the
this
important
map.
part. We have
We
an
need
inner
to go
keep
back.
that's really good. You just need to fill up those gaps in the inner keep. There's like one entrance into it. It's gonna be a real pain in the ass. They can't really get forces through.
Crossbow, get him as I go through that door.
And hold like.
oh, they have the winch. It's open.
All right,
Dude, if we
It's
keep
fine.
moving,
They can't really get Cav in. So
Yeah, okay. All right. Bring lots of meme hammers. We don't need that many crossbowmen for this last
I'm
part.
here to save you. Stay alive. Oh,
What? Oh, that was
Boys, here we
alive.
go. Here we
It
go.
wasn't alive, I don't think.
Get
No,
trolled.
it wasn't. It was not.
Oh, it's a test run. There you go.
All right. Everyone, do what we just did, but better.
More people in the gatehouse.
More people in the
Absolutely.
gatehouse. I agree.
Gatehouse with hammers.
Bring hammers.
Gatehouse.
Maybe bring a crossbow. After like they get inside, we don't need
Shit.
as many crossbowmen as we would need.
Guys, I'm at the corner of the wall.
This map is so dark I can't even see my
when the
crossbow.
Vegas come, they're not sending their best, folks.
Oh, I hit him.
Just shoot the. No, they are. Wait, what are you talking about? We're the ones not sending our best.
Get ready, boys.
That may be true.
I will defend this
More of
ladder.
this shit.
We are
Defend that
sending our
fucking ladder.
average players.
Wait, who's that down there by the ladder?
Hey, where are you guys? Why are you guys running the wrong way?
Go
Keep
towards the ladder
dumping
so
them
I
with
can shoot this
crossbows.
guy down there.
Ah, shit.
There's
No.
like
Keep holding that. You got it, boys. You got it.
Block him, just block him. I'll shoot him.
Bring him down. Hammer down, boys. Hammer
Fucking
down.
hell, fucking birds.
Don't let them crowd surf.
Hammer down. Where are you
Alright.
going?
Hammer down. Yeah, go Overwatch on
Titan
that.
fall down. Titan fall down. Whatever the fucking word is. Wait, why is
Guys,
there a blue
guys,
flag
they're
on
just
the
funneling.
Vegas?
They're funneling. I'm getting so many kills right now.
Yeah. Just keep doing that, dude. They have to jump down.
They've broken
They're
in
jumping
from
people
one
down.
side,
Move.
breaking down doors.
Gonna
Oh yeah.
doors.
That might be a problem. I forgot about that.
Otters
All right,
jump down.
a couple people go to the back door.
Okay, I'm going back.
He's going up one side of the murder holes.
Hey, you fuckers.
Neither, go drop that ladder right there to your right.
Oh yeah. That's a
Shit,
good
they're
idea.
coming in around the backside.
Yeah. Watch the back gate. Watch the back
Gates
gate.
open somehow.
I'm gonna drop
doors
it.
in the back.
You shouldn't have to jump.
Oh, it's
Back
bird.
gate,
Motherfucker.
All right.
There's
We
a-
got him.
Open
Hey,
gate.
I'm seeing Vu
Major
flag
Soul,
on
you
the
and me will
Vegas.
hold this gate until we die of old age.
How the fuck did they open the gate, guys? They just walked right through.
No one was there.
Close the
Who
gate.
got there?
Wait,
How did
close
they
it.
get there?
How did
That's
they?
what I
Did
wanna
they
know.
break down a door?
Oh, they have
I didn't
a
even-
These are
I didn't even
thin-ass
know where the
walls.
wedges
If you're
at.
just
Guys, close the doors.
Wait, what's going on?
No, they
Okay,
broke
I
them
died.
down
I can
with
take a look around
partitions.
now.
Ah,
You don't
shit.
I don't know where they got in from.
All right, we need to get to the flag. Defend the
Oh
flag.
yeah, everyone,
I don't know
go
where
to
the
the
ones
flag.
are.
The flag is the hardest part for them to take anyway, so don't worry about this too much.
We can
Where
close
is the
close
flag?
the fucking gate.
Oh wait, you guys
Close
closed the gate. Good job.
Close
Never
the
mind.
goddamn
Push back
gate
the
and
walls
we're
again.
good.
Take the walls back. Good job. I'm surprised you guys got the gate.
Yeah, the right wall is kind of falling. We need to take
It's
that
more
back.
a mystery
And
that they
watch
got
the
gate
back.
open in
We've
the
got a
first
couple
place.
people there, which is good. But
Where is the back?
Screenshot that
behind.
soft kill.
Yeah,
who the fuck is shooting me? God
keep
damn.
an eye on the flag.
Don't shoot me in the fucking back, Jesus.
Yeah, they're coming to the. Did someone open the door or did they bash it down?
No, they opened it. What the hell?
I can't
Yeah, I
open it.
don't know.
They can't
Oh,
open
someone
it.
left
We
it open.
opened
I
it.
don't know
Oh
how
no,
they
they just broke it. They smashed the shit out of it. They have bardiches.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Okay, no, hold on. Wait, there's one of the.
All right. We need these people who are here just to keep guarding that back gate. Whoever is guarding the gatehouse, keep doing that and hold it
They're
forever.
in the gatehouse again.
Hold it for eternity.
If you
Yeah,
they're opening it.
They're opening it. All right, get ready to get to the flag. Get ready to
We
get to the
gotta
flag.
push come near the flag right now. Around the
All
back.
right.
Oh, the flag's right there.
Everyone, get ready to flag. There are walls. You see, like the walls with holes in them. We can hold those chokes
Fuck is
with
a wall?
shield. Yeah.
What's the wall?
Let me through, Lisu. Let me through.
Yeah.
Gatehouse
Everyone,
up top.
Are we
get ready to
guarding
form a fat wall in these gaps here.
Gatehouse has fallen.
everywhere?
Gatehouse
red.
is
Nothing up
infested
here.
with Vegas.
I'm not liking all this red, fellas.
They're starting to get archers in the gatehouse shooting down into the
Yeah,
flag
come on,
area.
folks, come on. We gotta get our shit together.
Are there?
Who's
Yeah,
Get back in here,
that's
fucking
better.
help me.
Where are you?
Hammers,
No,
hold
there's
that
a fucking
choke.
crossbowman who abandoned me in here when I let Jam in to kill him, but
No, why?
How are they not dead yet?
See what's going on. Yeah, they do have some archers shooting down on us. That's a bit annoying, but it's not too big a deal.
Hey, look, there's a horse in our flag.
Deserters.
It's a bit unfortunate that the RCC had to go on their team, but it's fine. What's
They're
going
making
on?
a big push on the backside.
Yeah. All right, yeah, get ready to get on that. We're pretty spread out.
We are. We need to.
Yeah, really.
But
let's group up.
oh yeah, they're coming in with the big push for our flag. Get ready to get out. Get to the flag. Get to the flag.
Oh, I'm holding off the big push right now.
Yes, sir.
Fuckers here. I'm not gonna be able to hold it for long, especially if Rob comes into combat with me.
All right, get on the flag, everybody. Get on that flag and guard those walls that we have there.
Fill the gaps.
Yeah, not a good look. Not
These
a good
bolts
look.
should be hitting, for God's sake.
Hey, crossbow.
Pushing around the backside.
Yeah,
They
we
got a
need more people
massive
on the
push
back.
coming
If you
in,
can
like
clear
2
those
dozen
archers
guys.
and just plug the gap, we'll be fine. But
Yeah. Everyone, get ready to plug that gap.
Plug the gap.
They're almost at the flag. By the backside. Watch out. 2 dozen guys.
Coming to the flag.
Hey,
Cross him and fucking shoot him in the head.
this is another one of those maps where they spawn us right through the attack path, so be ready to fight the moment you float in.
Yeah. Oh shit, I died.
Almost better just to switch to infant at this point.
No, yeah,
Yeah,
just
flag,
switch to
flag,
inch. Just switch to inch. No more crossbows. Get on the flag now. Go to the flag
Yeah.
now.
Come on.
Wherever
We need
the
to-
fuck
we
you
need
are,
to
run
clear
to
the
the flag
flag.
now.
We don't need crossbows if they're going.
Thank you, Eastwood.
Yeah.
Dude, they're right on that goddamn flag. We need
Guys,
Just
get on flag.
run to the flag now. I
Get
don't
on
care
the
where
flag,
the
get on the
fuck you are.
flag.
Run for it. I see a bunch of you guys. They're standing there. You cross the
Archers,
flag.
I'm
standing there. Go to the flag.
I'm shooting at them as they come in.
You. What's your name?
Coming through the backside.
Squad.
Archers are
Drop
just.
your fucking crossbow. and charge. No more.
Hey, we got
We
fucking
need
spawn
way more
cams.
infantry. Way more infantry. No more crossbows. Well, that's too bad. Killed them.
Oh, we
Kill
got
them
lost.
quicker. You just.
What the fuck?
Truly,
Come
Nether
on,
is a king.
guys.
I hope we
Guys,
got lost
guys,
yet.
we can,
Oh my
guys, we can
god.
still save it.
Yeah,
It's
ours
winnable.
are
It's
off the
winnable.
back wall.
It's winnable. It's winnable. It's winnable. Get over there. Get over there.
Charge,
Go,
charge,
go, go,
charge,
go.
charge.
Vegas will never give
There's
up.
60 fucking Vegas here! What are these son of a- Okay,
I don't
no,
care,
no,
kill
stop, stop. We're killing them, we're killing them all!
It's winnable. It's winnable, guys. It's
Just grab
winnable.
a two-hander and start swinging.
I was
Ah,
simply
shit.
how many more people there were for me to murder.
Oh, Lord.
Fuck.
Oh
Where
god.
are my men? Charge the
You guys
flag.
can
Where
get
are
some
you?
As
Cav
long
in there
as there's
too. They
one
can't
road
get
off,
Cav.
they
You
can't claim
can.
victory.
Oh
Help
yeah,
the
that's right.
infantry by
Oh, go Cav.
bumping.
Go Cav. I can go Cav. I can go
Get on the flag right now.
Coming down.
Go, Cav. We're losing the goddamn point.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Don't go crossbowmen. That we only need a couple. Mostly infantry. All right. More meme hammers.
Maybe
We need to.
Great
help,
against
but,
Vegas.
yeah.
It's a little. All right.
Glaives are probably better against them.
Well,
Guess not.
what's
They
right?
are good if you can hold choke points.
All right, hold these.
Coming to the
All right,
coming
all
doors.
right. I
Here
want
they
a
come.
fuck ton of people in the gatehouse. I want a fuck ton.
Yeah, there's a lot of people leaving the gatehouse for no discernible reason.
Yeah.
Shut the fucking doors.
They're about to breach the. They're gotta scale the wall to the gatehouse.
They're
That's
already
okay.
fucking in,
We
fellas.
need people up.
It's fine. It's fine. Just hold the. Look at this guy with the pike. Get back here, Kermit.
Push them back on the causeway.
Hold the gatehouse. There's a fuck ton of them coming for the gatehouse. I want a fuck ton
You're
of
in the
people.
Yeah, we
gatehouse.
got 4
Excuse-
people in here,
there's
so
no
I think
reason
we're
for
good.
you to.
They're in. They're right towards flag.
What?
They're not at the flag yet.
Oh, they gone to the back.
They're on the damn causeway.
You gotta clear that back Viking gate. It's not
we need-
broken yet.
On the right gatehouse.
Yeah,
Wait,
they
wait,
are
they're
coming in
open.
the back
We need
end.
people here now.
Did someone open the gate?
Yeah,
Someone
somebody
opened the
opened
gate.
Get off the.
Some fucker.
Salt is on the
Wait,
right.
there's someone on the flag?
Yeah, there are people on the
Yes,
flag.
they
Someone
open.
Oh wait,
opened
go to
their
the
gate.
flag.
Turn
Let's
around.
go.
Get on the
Everyone,
flag.
everyone, run for the
Okay.
Where are you
Hold
there?
your positions.
Run for the
Don't
flag.
go to the flag.
Holy shit, those gates are weak.
Oh yeah,
Oh wait, no,
Close
someone
the
opened
gate.
them.
People opened
Look
it.
at that.
Close the gate and kill them.
Close the doors, you son of a bitch.
There's fucking 15 Vagers on the right side of the gatehouse. We need people up there now, because that door's
Well,
not going to last 30
guys,
seconds.
I have to fucking chamber every one of them.
Should we just
Go. Yeah, there we go. Flush those things and shut the doors.
It's gaming god.
All right, I have a new command for all Rodox. If you're gay, open the doors. All right, that's
Look at that shit in there. Jesus fucking Christ.
Holy fuck. All right, they're closed now. That's much better. All right, we're better. We're safe now.
Yeah,
I
we're
have a
open.
shit ton of archers up top, though.
Not for long. Kate's Salt's gonna break him down.
That's, yeah, I mean, it's we're in a better situation now. All right, let's push these archers right here. I don't like them.
Rob, I'm here to save you.
Okay. Nether is
I
that
tried to save you.
Against Vager.
Oh my god.
We got slaughtered at the gatehouse.
Gatehouse.
Silence your dog. Oh, they're taking
Gatehouse is
they're taking the winch.
Oh, I killed so many bros.
Gate
The
is up.
dog's crying.
Someone mute
The
that
babies
guy.
are barking. It's a sad day for Rodakia.
No, we got this, guys. It's fine. We're
Yeah,
pushing
it's
on
winnable,
top
it's
wall.
winnable.
This is
we
definitely
still-
winnable. Are you kidding me?
Should we do like a shield wall on the fucking flag or what?
No,
Push
yeah.
back into the gatehouse. Go up the back route.
I think
No, I don't think
Our left
we'll
side
just lose the gatehouse.
It's
I
too
just
late
wanna-
to take the gatehouse back.
I think the last time our problem was there weren't enough of us on the flag. I think. All right. As soon as you spawn, guys, don't even try to hold the front wall anymore.
Oh,
Run
they're
back
coming
to the
around
flag.
the long
That's
way
a
now
good
to
spot
the
to
flag.
If we lose the front
Yeah.
wall, we'll lose our spawns, and we'll get
Wait,
spawn
what do you mean
killed
we'll-
again.
Yeah,
Well,
the spawns
we
are
can't
in
really-
the pathway.
What is
That's
this?
fine.
Get to the flag.
I'm on the flag.
Big deal. Just
Flag
hold your
now.
shield up. And,
They picked up our hammers.
everyone to the flag.
To
Get
the
so much
flag.
respect.
I see more fucking Vagers here than you fuckers. They're holding it again.
Get to the
They're using the
flag
choke.
right now. Oh my
Wait,
god.
everyone get on the flag now. I don't know
Flag.
what the fuck you guys think you are. but
Guys,
it's on
stop
the flag.
buying hammers. They're super effective against us.
Yeah, that is true. They are breaking. Shields are good. Oh, they
Don't just
Push
coalesce
the
on the
flag.
don't just coalesce on the flag. Push them out too, if you can.
But Fury, we'll get to the pushing them back when we get there. Right now, we need to get on the flag.
Yeah.
Honestly, just coalesce on the flag.
I can't jump
But
this ladder.
next time we can't have people running out of the gatehouse.
What?
Holy
coming
fuck!
down.
they
It's
have so many
coming
arrows.
down.
Oh my
Oh, it's down. Nope.
No, there's still a guy there. Keep fighting. He
Alright,
got
winnable,
it.
it's winnable,
Rob's
guys.
holding it for us.
Winnable,
Rob's holding
winnable,
it
winnable.
Rodox, let's go.
Rob,
Rodox,
everyone
ready.
charge
Me.
the flag.
No
Go back,
Eskies.
get
No
on
Eskies.
it.
Let's go. Into the
Ah.
Kill them anyway. that was good.
All right.
That was painful.
I'm going to be reordering the Vagar nobility a little bit. Or Rodak. I'm a Rodak. I decided a couple of you aren't good at your job. Wasn't so bad though. Honestly, for a CC where we got stomped, I still had a lot of fun. So thanks
Hey,
for.
yeah, this was so enjoyable.
You guys really didn't do all that bad.
Nether, you don't want to say that. That's a bad.
Mr. Rodock King, Mr. Rodock
Why
King,
not?
had a good idea.
I think it went all right.
That's fair.
I mean,
Mr.
for a
Rodock.
CC, it was. We had to. I mean, I liked the charge we did at the end. That was.
That was really fun.
That almost worked.
It was.
I'll give you that, Nether, as far as leading events goes, you're usually one of the most fun commanders.
That's the goal, really.
True.
You have
Hey,
to be.
Mr. King, I have an idea.
I think it was a good event.
Suggest a Testuru, just go away.
Everyone loves an underdog, and we can't be the underdogs unless we lose a few castles. So this is kind of my plan for. Yeah.
This is
Was this a one castle?
Yeah, wait, who
or
owns
One
it?
castle turns into 2, into 3, into 4, and then a city.
Was this a
into
one
Kala,
castle fight or a two castle fight?
You X if you're gay.
Oh god.
Galen. In the future, it'll be nothing else.
Have we
It'll be nothing but
tried,
chars.
have we tried inviting their nobility to a wedding and then massacring them? there?
Good
game, guys. What a complete victory. I won't even say it.
No, what are you talking about? That was close. You were so wrong.
You had some close rounds.
Honestly, it wasn't that bad.
Nami stole the victory.
We tended to fall apart at the end. We would always we would always get a bit
Dude,
spread
I
out.
was the rounds where we like fought the most immediately. I was nail biting hard.
We got some good early leads. It's just we tended to.
Yeah, except for that first round where you killed like 9 people and lost your entire.
we were working out our strategy. We realized whatever the hell I did didn't work, and we rethought it. And I came up
And
with
then continued to lose.
I'm surprised you didn't go heavier on crossbows.
Oh, we
it
was
a
strong
Rodak.
We tried.
No one
We
listened.
said bring crossbows. And their calves kept
A
getting
great
more and more.
quotation of Sun Tzu that I always like to live by in this CC is never interrupt your enemy when he's going Rodak cavalry.
Okay, no, can I tell you my thing with that is the 3E. They were a big group of infantry, and they would go do their own thing, and everyone would go follow them. And it annoyed me a little bit, so I told them all to go cav so they could do their own thing without making me lose. So
That's reasonable.
We felt like you guys were gonna have like the most skilled players at the beginning.
On the thing,
we were.
all of our
CC. We were.
Tim wasn't here. Capus wasn't here. Maroon wasn't
RCC
here.
doesn't count as skill players. It's like beating
was,
up children.
honestly,
I mean, in
really,
the
I thought the
comparable
siege was,
context of the
early.
average CC player,
Smug,
yes,
he went
Well, the
30
Nether
and
also
0.
asked us to have a lot more crossbows.
What's that?
He went 30 and 0 in the field.
I was.
Yeah, because he
Yeah.
rode around the perimeter just couch lancing fucking noobs.
I know.
That's what he does every CC.
Who was the primary demographic of the Calradic campaign?
yeah. So that does qualify him as skilled player. He's smart enough to know to
Again,
kill the noobs.
I felt like you would have like gone more crossbow in response to that. But...
We tried, but our cav multiplied.
Every time you said more crossbows, more cav appeared.
No, let me clarify that. Every time you said more crossbows, there was someone else who said, we need more cav. And everyone for some reason...
Don't listen to that order.
Went
That was me.
Yeah,
I
some
said we
fucking...
needed more cav. I got so annoyed with the because I think our cav died a little quickly.
Oh yeah, cav would just
and then I go into this whole. Then I go into this whole thing to Nether. I'm like, Nether, you can't use cav to fight cav because they're going to your cav. You need to use something else.
Well, the whole cav thing was basically all of the 3E, and I just didn't want them being infantry and taking all the infantry away.
Why were they all the fucking green goblin and black horses fucking rushing in? Why did they pick a hunter or like any other armor? What the fuck are they doing?
They weren't in voice chat, so if I had wanted to say something, I had to stop and type to them. And so I just said, "Fuck it, do what you want." And they liked to kamikaze charge. There was one time, it was round 3 or 4, where one of the 3E leaders typed in chat, "Infantry charge." We're halfway across the map and they're charging you, and I'm like, well, they're all gonna die if I don't charge anyway. So I was like, everyone fucking run that stuff. And we lost we got some good kills at first, but then our cav died.
To me, it sounds like, as Sun Tzu said, a general who can't control his army.
It's true. It's like Taiwan had too.
Exactly. You should execute a leader immediately.
You should do what I used to do during CCs and just fucking scream at people and find out who they were in real life and threaten to kill them.
The problem is you have like a cool, intimidating voice, so you can't scream at people, and it won't.
Hello, caps lock was invented just for this purpose.
Also, I don't like the scream.
really reminds me
What you need is you need to designate some asshole in the voice chat who just repeats everything you say in the text chat. Just
That's what I did,
designate
and that worked. That's what I did, and it worked.
Tim
You
would
gotta
have
have a
done
very
that.
recognizable
Maroon would
voice.
have done that, but they're not here.
Everyone who had a keyboard was required by law.
That's what I've
Text chat.
done. That's the fucking point.
It sounds like you guys need Tim.
Yeah, dude, it was. We were missing Tim and Cake. Our voices of loudness.
I don't know how much Cake helps you, but Tim might help you.
Cake actually yells pretty well. He gets pretty saucy too, which normally I don't have to get saucy.
These guys are actually these 3E guys are actually figuring out how to hold this ladder. I'm impressed.
If we had given them a few more turns,
if we gave them like 10 more rounds, they would have been good at this. I assure